In today's video, I'm going to be upgrading the instrument cluster from the standard instrument cluster to, this is not really the SS instrument cluster, but it's like the Chevy Cobalt Sport or the Pontiac G5. So it's a upgraded instrument cluster that goes up to 140 miles per hour instead of the standard 120. And it's a better looking instrument cluster in my opinion. So I've already removed all the trim, or just the instrument cluster bezel, and all the trim pieces and the radio, which I'm going to be replacing here pretty quick. So there's 4 7mm bolts holding the instrument cluster in. I think this is one of the easiest simple upgrades, especially if you have like an LS model Cobalt and you want to make it look a little sportier. And some of my other Cobalts actually upgraded to the SS instrument cluster, which goes up to 160 miles per hour, and I think that one looks the best, but they're not easy to find, honestly. This other style that I'm putting in is more readily available, especially with the Pontiac G5 or the Chevy Cobalt Sport, so there's more of them out there. There's one wiring harness in the very back. Just push down the tab and it pulls right out. And so that one's out. And the instrument cluster doesn't have any of the information programmed on the circuit board itself. It gets all the like mileage information from the body control module. So I'll give it a quick start just to make sure everything works on it, but it should. Oh yeah, that looks a whole lot better. And all the information should be the same as the bolts in real quick and then put the rest of the interior back in. One of the easier upgrades to do. I love the look of it. Like I said, the SS Dash is definitely a little bit better, but I do love the look of this. especially at night. Alright, probably in my next video I'm going to be upgrading the steering wheel to a leather wrap steering wheel. So definitely stay tuned for that.